Do you know that if your chest muscles, that is thoracic and pectoral muscles, are tight or inflexible, it can hamper the range of your shoulder movement and also reduces your breathing capacity. So today I am going to share few easy exercises which can help to improve your flexibility of the chest muscles, which will also help to move your shoulder more freely and also breathe in better volume of air. So let's see first exercise. First exercise is to sit on a chair or a table. Now take your hands behind on the back edge of the table or chair, keeping in mind that you are keeping your thumbs pointing outwards. Now hold the chair and slowly start pushing your chest forward and upward, tilting your neck slightly back, and then slowly come back to the original position. While raising the chest up, inhale, and while coming back, exhale. So do this movement 15 to 20 times or as per your comfort daily, till the time you feel nice opening at the chest level. It will also help to reduce the shoulder and upper back pain. Now let's see second exercise. This is again sitting on the chair or table. Or you can also use an exercise ball or medicine ball which we see in the gyms. For sliding hands on the wall, use bricks or you can use a foam roller if you have. Now sit on the chair slightly away from the wall and facing towards the wall. Keep distance in your legs so that you can stay a little closer to wall. Now hold the bricks, or if you have a foam roller, keep your palms on the foam roller. Now as you breathe in, roll your hands or slide your hands towards the ceiling, keeping your neck either neutral or slightly tilting backwards. And now try to push your chest towards the wall, pushing your scapula more backwards. And then slowly slide back again to normal position. When you are moving towards the wall, inhale and exhale while coming back. This exercise also you can repeat 15 to 20 times or as per your comfort. Remember, do not overstrain or overstretch right on the first day. Keep pushing slowly and not all at once. And now let's see the last exercise. This is for those who can sit on the floor on their knees. So come on your knees, keeping the hip width distance in the knees. Now align your hips in line with your knees and keep your palms in front of your knees like Marjarasana or cat-cow pose. Now without changing your hip and knee alignment, start sliding your hands forwards and go on lengthening your back muscles. As you slide forward, try to bring your chest towards the floor and either forehead or chin. As your flexibility of chest muscles improve, you will be able to reach the floor, so don't rush to it. Do it slowly and step by step. If you can hold here in this position, that is well and good, or else you can simply slide back and relax. While sliding forwards, inhale, and while coming back, exhale. You can use a foam roller as well if you want to make the sliding movements easy. If you are holding on to the position, then keep doing deep breaths during the holds. And while coming back, exhale and come back. So these are the 3 therapeutic exercises that you can do easily. However, in case of any injuries or any physical ailment, please consult your physician or a trained yoga therapist before performing these exercises. See you. Have a good day.